Y'all see my hair, right? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Get into it. If you want to know how cheap this look, or if you just want to watch me do my hair, then make sure you stay tuned. Period.
Life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Okay, y'all, so we're gonna get straight into this video. So I'm about to take out these twists because I moisturized my hair yesterday. And of course, my roots. Oh my gosh, I did not do my intro. Hello, you guys. It's Christina Marie back with another video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then you might as well subscribe simply because me and my K-Babies are lit. And we lit because you really like it. Period. And if you subscribe, you must definitely be lit too. That's it. That's all. And that's just that. Period. Okay, y'all. So I'm kind of like in a rush because I was supposed to go to camp today to go pick up a package. And I need to go run some errands. And I was trying to go before it gets dark. And currently it is 2:55. You might as well say 2:55, but it's 2:54. So I thought, why not film while I do my hair? Because I'm about to do, of course, you already know my go-to. A goddamn bun. High puff. I could do a twist out, but no, because like my roots looking kind of poofy and I don't too much like it. But this twist out would be cute. So y'all already know the product. Hold on, because I haven't been wearing strip lashes. I've been doing individuals, but I've ordered me some eyelash extensions to kind of try them out. And it's like, I don't know. I feel like I look weird because I haven't worn strip lashes in so long. But yeah, y'all already know the products that, well, if y'all don't know, I would suggest using Eco Styler. I use Eco Styler and I use Edge Control when I do my high puffs. I'm kind of like trying to separate my hair. So when I put this junk in a bun, it'll act right. Even though I could do a twist out. But no, I don't feel like doing it. And I'm kind of like in a rush, but I'm not in a rush, if that makes sense. Yeah. I could do a twist out and just put some gel on my roots to lay them. Well, not lay them, but to like get them to lay down some. Because they look poofy, but I'm not going through that. Hopefully my hair don't die. Because the brush that I have, I used this whenever I did that dye video of me dyeing my hair. But yeah, y'all, so I had ordered some hair for graduation, right? And it's just coming. And today is December the 9th. And I ordered my hair like 3 weeks ago. But like, because of this whole pandemic and then, the mailing being slow because it's peak season, like my hair is just not coming. And my graduation was the 20th of November. So yeah. I'm still going to use that hair, though, for a photo shoot. Y'all see it on waves. Let me just do it this way. Because I be using a lot of gel for my hair. Because I like my hair to be slick, bruh. I do not like put my hair in a bun when it look like I got an afro up under it. I don't like that. Well, not an afro, but like, my roots are poofy. I like my junk laid. Now I'm running late because I've been supposed to leave. Because I was gonna also go on camp to see some people, some of my friends. And I need to go to this store called Ollie's, y'all. Y'all see my waves? Ooh. Ooh. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Because I'm definitely running late. But y'all, I'm thinking about making the hair I was supposed to get for graduation into a unit. Because I like sew-ins. I don't like sew-ins if I know that I'm going to keep it in for a while. See, I'm the type of person that I switch up my hairstyles a lot. And y'all gonna learn that about me. Like, I really switch up my hairstyles. It's like, it's no point in me paying over $100 for a sew-in if I know I'm not gonna keep it in for a long period of time. Okay, so I done gelled my hair. So y'all saw me. I get my string and I tie it up. Ooh, in the back. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. And that was about to be so cute. Oh Lord, I should have got up early, but I was tired. Nothing don't want to act right for me, and I don't have time. If you guys do not know, I'm going to talk while I'm saying this. I'm going to tie it from the back again. If you guys don't know, I do not use shoestrings to tie up my hair. I use a stocking and I tie it up that way because a shoestring will pop off your hair. I'm trying to find another method, like with some silk. Oh no. Lord have mercy. Y'all, just all of them popping. All of them. And they don't normally pop. So I don't know why they popping today. So, what I'm going to have to do is, I'm going to have to connect. I'm going to have to connect these two. I'm so late. I'm going to have to connect two of them together and we just going to pray that this junk do not unravel. Because if it unravel, I'm going to be pissed. All right, y'all. So, let me see. Okay, boom. We're going to connect two of them. Lord, I hope I don't have to re-slick my hair. Let me see. I'm going to re-slick some of this. Well, add some more gel. Because my hair know better. So, y'all, this is why I always wear units or locks or braids. Because y'all saw how cute it was about to be. Alright, so I done connected it. Okay, so I'm going to brush it up again. I'm going to brush it back up too. Them curls cute though. Like, wait till my hair get longer because I want my curls to drop a little bit. Okay, so we got the stocking. Yeah, I don't even remember what I was talking about. I was talking about something before my junk had popped. And I really don't remember what, but it's okay. So, try not to pull it too tight so I don't need it to pop. Ooh. Okay. So, we got it tied, and I'm going to tie it again in the front. I'm trying to make sure I lift my hair up because I ain't trying to tie my hair up in this junk. Boom, I'm going to tie it again. Tie it again in the back. Y'all might not have to do this, but I have to do it because my hair is so thick. I have to tie it multiple times on my hair. It's going to undo. And I've had this happen before. Like, I'll tie it maybe like twice. And my hair will undo. Like, undo the tying. And my junk fell out. Thick hair problems, but I thank God I got thick hair, cause. Alright. Y'all already know I gotta get some. Let me lift y'all up some, cause like my hair is so. Oh, I should just back y'all up, but it's okay. This y'all cute. Nah, don't play with me. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges first. Then I'm gonna tie up my hair. Well, my perimeter. What I'm doing? Okay, so I'm gonna get. Oh, that hurts. Let me use the brush. Okay, I'm gonna get the brush out. I'm just gonna brush out some of my edges. Well, baby hairs. I said some of my edges. Lord Jesus. Brush out some of my edge. I don't know what that is. Because I know y'all see them white things falling from this edge brush. And I'm looking like, what the freak? I think it's some dried up edge control. But we're going to brush it out. Brush it out, brush it out, brush it out. Okay. So the edge control I'm going to be using is Edge Boost. No, this is not Edge Boost. This is knockoff Edge Booster, baby. This is True Edge. Can y'all see it? Okay, y'all can see it. So this one I'm going to be using to do my baby hairs. You dig? So, everybody know this is my go-to style. If you don't know me, it's my go-to. And I'll be trying not to make this my go-to because too many, wearing buns too much can most... Ooh, that highlight is popping, baby. Y'all see it? Don't play with her. But anyways, I wasn't with my contacts today, but no, I ain't feeling it. Oh yeah, it's my go-to, but I try not to wear buns so much because y'all see that swoop-de-doop-doop. Because they say like buns, wearing too many buns and too many tight hairstyles can most definitely pop your hair off. And we trying to retain length over here, baby. We're not trying to pop nothing off. So, yeah, and don't nobody come for my swoops because if I want about 5-10 swoops, I'm going to do that. This is my hair. My head. So if this is what I want to do, this is what I'm going to do. Alright, so we got the little sideburns. I already know I got to do those. So, boom, baby. Don't play with her. I almost want to leave my bun like this, but I'm not. So, bobby pins. Oh, wait. No, we're going to tie it down first. No, I was about to be so mad because I thought somebody took my bobby pins. Because I'm like, you ever need something, then when you need it, you can't find it. It's aggy. Lord, I can't have one. Goddamn strap showing. Shirt a little too big. Gotta get it together, though. Alright. So, my hair is cute, bro. I ain't wore a bun in so long. But I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. Because I don't want no scamp looking bun. Alright, so I'm gonna just pin it. It was gonna be a top knot, but it's like I don't even really care. I really probably shouldn't even pin it, cause like, what am I pinning it for? I think it's cute like this, but yeah, we just gonna do it like that, cause it's okay. Y'all see that? I low-key wish my bun had some more curl definition, but it's like I'm not even really tripping off that today. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie my hair, finish getting dressed, and then I'm gonna show y'all the outcome. I'm trying to back y'all up so y'all can see my outfit, but I don't think y'all can't see it. It's okay. So I'm gonna take this scarf off so y'all can see how it look, cause your girl got a jet. I'll be doing this to make sure it's late. I don't want to be. And boom. It's cute or whatever. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you might as well subscribe. Simply because me and my cat babies are lit, and we lit because you really like it. Period. Make sure you turn the notification bell to know when I post lit content, period. And you already know my motto. If you're a true K baby. And that is stay lit and stay encouraged. Always, and don't let nobody ruin your day. Because if they ruin your day, I'm going to have to beat them up and we want them problems. Period. Love you, K-babies.
Blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my